going right. Come on, Oliver. Speed. You gotta go parallel with the skis. All right, on the way. All 4 Kings Ferries together. Come in between. Into this area right here, and then we swim in the pool. Behind us. Hey, you're bold. Whoa! Whoa! Dude, going under the playset is amazing. The camera saw that. Yay! No, not on the... Take them off out here. You want to try it? Emily, did you want to try this? Yep.
This way?
Yep.
Hey people, how you doing?
What's up, Emily?
Oh, look at Daddy go. Is he gonna fall? He probably is not, but that's a long little slope right there. Yes, it is. Oh, here's a mountain too. Oh, he's not gonna fall, people. Oh, never mind. I take that back. Look at this. Here he is, and he is fell.
Do it, Emily. You got this.
All right, people. Here I go with no pull, but I'm gonna go slow. Okay, trust me. Woo! Did y'all see that? I saw that. Oh. Hey, people. That's what he said. Now watch Amelie do her thing. Woo! Get that right behind you. Look at Oliver. He's doing it. Go. Oh, did you see Daddy's fall? Can Oliver do it? Because Daddy did not. Will Oliver do it? Yes, he will. Go. There he goes. Can he make... Oh, did you see that jump? Whoa, look at Oliver going off course. Get close to the king. Oh, yeah. Oh, look. Look at my high five that I'm about to do. Bang! Beautiful high five, wasn't it? I know it was. I know it was. Now,